Heavy accumulation of grease and soils in your kitchen or smokehouse facility can be tough to deal with. Easily get rid of residue and grime on your grill with State's Grill and Smokehouse Cleaner. State Grill and Smokehouse Cleaner is a concentrated alkaline cleaner designed to target and break down organic matter on metal surfaces in your commercial kitchen or smokehouse facility. Its self-foaming technology allows you to clean and decarbonize grills, griddles, ovens, deep fryers, and burners. The decarbonizing power of this product makes cleaning nearly effortless, reducing the amount of hard scrubbing necessary in the process. This results in fewer scratches on your surface, making it harder for carbon to cling to, while also preserving your equipment. State Grill and Smokehouse Cleaner, another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.